Hi there, this is Diane, and today I am making Brussels sprouts with bacon and balsamic vinegar. Trust me, it's delicious, and this will soon be one of your favorite dishes to make. Hello! So, the bacon is all crisp. And I'm not too worried about some of these other pieces that are a little fatty, because I'm going to throw the bacon back in once I get all the other ingredients in. Look at all that yumminess. So, I'm leaving that grease in there, and for those of you who wonder, wow, that's not very much bacon grease. This is how much grease I pulled out, but I'm going to save this because this will be great for cooking, frying eggs, etc. So, I went ahead and chopped up one large onion. Oh, this smells so good. And that'll help you glaze the pan. And of course, everybody always hears those terms, to glaze. Well, basically what it's doing is the moisture is going to lift up all these good little bits. Normally you would glaze with some kind of liquid as well, but I want this to be pretty dry. And the Brussels sprouts will wilt down. And all this good stuff will be scraped up from the bottom. So we'll go ahead and let this brown, and I'll be right back. Okay, I know in my earlier clip I said brown. We don't want this to brown, but we want them to be a little translucent. And I'm putting in about, oh, I don't know, a buttload of garlic, because we love garlic. And then we'll continue to let this cook. Brussels sprouts have pretty much wilted down to half. I'm gonna go ahead and add our bacon. Yes, lots of bacon. Of course, you don't have to put this much bacon in, but if you're gonna do it, why not? In a pretty rich dish, so you don't want to eat a ton of it anyways in one sitting. But it reheats great and it freezes great. So I'm gonna go ahead, and you notice how that pan has deglazed very, very nicely. And I added a little more balsamic vinegar, and I actually added a couple more tablespoons of bacon fat. Because like I said, we want to keep this fairly dry because we want the caramelization to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead. Hit it one more time with some balsamic vinegar. And my assistant is off camera. Preparing the lid. We're just going to turn this on very low and just gently, I don't know, braise it, I guess. Be right back. Hey there, I'm back. So, my helper said that it tastes pretty good. I added about a tablespoon of white vinegar because you want that punch, that a little bit of sourness that the balsamic vinegar doesn't really add to cut the bacon richness. Here it is. Looks delicious. It's nice and cooked down, but yet there's still some crunch to it. Lots of bacon. Like I said, this isn't really a main dish, more of like a side dish, but when we eat it here at the house, we actually just make it a main course because it's so good and so rich. But look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Oh, hot. Tastes delicious. You've got the sweetness of the balsamic vinegar, the little kick of sourness from the balsamic vinegar, and the little bit of white vinegar I put in. The bacon grease adds a nice richness to it. You got your onions, your aromatics, garlic. I put some black pepper in. No salt because there's plenty of salt for the bacon, from the bacon. And it's just really a delicious meal. It's great any time of the year. I think this would actually be a great dish in the fall time for Thanksgiving perhaps. But everybody should love Okay, so this is how I made my ever famous Brussels sprouts with bacon and balsamic vinegar. Give it a try. I know you're gonna love it. Until next time, bye-bye.